face.
You might have seen him on Lux Play in one of our reviews. It's the one, the only, Mr. Carlos Oliveira, also known as
Benson Mokhtar.
How are you doing, Benson? Having fun so far?
I'm good, I'm having fun. I'm meeting my friends from Germany, RPD42, and the fan club from Belgium as well. And I'm glad to be here. I'd like to share with my fans and, get to know some more about the event. I've been in Luxembourg before, Moyen, Vanschlift, Schönhunger. That's pretty much what I know in German. Oh, wir bleiben, wat wir sind.
So, being like the face model of the new Carlos Oliveira, could you tell us how did you get the gig? How were you?
So I was working in Japan as a model and an actor and a stuntman. I'm a martial artist too. I got my agency in Tokyo, and Capcom contacted. They did contact my agent. They saw me on my portfolio. They liked me and they were looking for someone that looked like me. So when I went to Osaka, they showed me like the blueprints, and the draw that they did looked just like me. It's like they knew me somehow, and I just fit the character, so they wanted me. The original Carlos is a white Caucasian-looking guy, but he got a strong accent. In the new version, he looks like me, so like definitely a Brazilian-looking guy, but he doesn't have his accent anymore. He speaks like an American with an American standard. But that's not me who does this work. Like, the standard American goes for Jeff Shin. He's the actor, the voice actor for him.
What would you say was your favorite moment working on Resident Evil 3?
When I figured out it was gonna be Resident Evil 3, because I'm a big fan of the franchise. I've been playing that game when I was very young. So, my agency, they didn't tell me everything right away. It's like they just told me, like, send me an email saying it's gonna be a famous video game, B franchise, and 3 points. B is like Biohazard, I figure out. And since I knew that Resident Evil 2 Remake was made the year before, I was like, oh man, I know it's Carlos Oliveira. He was only saying Carlos. So I figured out, and when I was in Osaka, so I asked the question, is it gonna be Carlos? They didn't want it to tell me, but I knew. And that's how I figured out, and I was very excited about it. It was a whole new experience for me, and I'm very proud of it. And I'm sharing this with you, and very happy about it.